Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add an element to your page. Elements are what make up the content of your page, and it's important to know how to use these to start building your website. To get started, simply open the Elements menu and you can pick from many different types of elements. The elements are organized into different categories, including content, blogging, multimedia, social media, and e-commerce. Now to add an element to an existing block, we can take a look here. And for this example, I will add a button right here. All I need to do is click on the button element in the menu and then drag this onto any of the available orange ribbons that appear within this block. So we can just place this here. Okay, great. Now another thing I would like to show you is that you can create a new row by dragging an element onto a blue ribbon. So all we need to do in this case is click onto an element, and then we can drag this onto any of the available blue ribbons within our block in order to create a new row. Now we can see that this paragraph element is on a separate row below our section here. And then lastly, we can create a new block with an element by dragging it onto a purple ribbon. For example, if we wanted to add a contact form, we can click and drag this into its own section here by creating a new block. Okay, great. And now we have a contact form in its own block that we can edit and style separately from the rest of the other blocks. And now you can see that we have added a new element to a block, to a row in that block, and then also to a new block on its own by dragging the contact form here. Thanks for watching.